Before beginning the installation of a pedestal on either a Frigidaire washer or dryer, please note that the legs on the appliance are not to be removed, and that each leg is to be completely screwed in to the base of the appliance. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the pedestal on the Frigidaire dryer. Before mounting the pedestal to either appliance, place the pedestal within a few inches of its final location. Please do not remove the foam located in the center of the pedestal. Check the level of the pedestal, front to back, and side to side, and adjust as needed. All Frigidaire washers or dryers require that all feet are left on the washer and completely screwed in. On washers or dryers that have a locking nut, the locking nut must be removed, and the leveling leg needs to be reinserted and completely screwed in. First, we will look at the different bracket styles based on the type of dryer you have. There are 4 different styles. The first style we will look at will have a mechanical timer to operate the dryer. To install the rear brackets, insert tab B of each rear bracket into slot 3 on the rear of the pedestal. Install the front brackets on the inner set of holes. The front brackets will be marked, telling you to install either one on the left or right hand side of the pedestal. The other 2 styles will use these brackets to install the pedestal. The front brackets for both styles are installed to the outermost set of holes with 2 screws. To know which procedure to install the rear bracket for your particular dryer, check the unique side panel that will identify what procedure to follow. This style will have 2 indents on the side and a 4-inch knockout for side venting. To install the rear brackets, insert tab B into slot 3 with the arrow pointing to the front. The third style will have 3 indents on the side in the shape of a 1, 0, 1. To install the rear brackets, insert tab A into slot 1 with the arrow pointing to the back. The last style will have 3 indents on the side. To install the rear brackets, insert tab A into slot 1 with an arrow pointing to the back. We will go ahead and mount the brackets to the pedestal and show this style of dryer being installed. Be sure the floor is adequately protected and carefully lay the appliance on its side and screw each leg completely into the base. On washers or dryers that have a locking nut, the locking nut must be removed. If the feet are not completely screwed in, the mounting holes in the appliance will not align to the mounting holes in the brackets on the pedestal. Using more than one person, carefully set the dryer in place on the top of the pedestal and slide the back into the rear brackets, while setting the front down behind the front brackets. Attach the rear brackets to the end using 2 screws for each bracket. Attach the front brackets to the unit using 1 screw for each bracket. It is possible to mount the pedestal to the unit by laying the appliance on its side and mounting the pedestal underneath. Check to make sure the unit is level to complete the installation.